Okay guys, this video is just plain bad. The reason why it's plain bad is I cannot draw to save my life. What hopefully will do for you guys, the GCSE guys, yeah, A-level guys can just clear off at this point. This is not for you. This is for my GCSE foundation guys. We're a week away from the exams, getting all bit of, well, it's getting a bit scary to be honest with you. But anyways, I digress. This is like just a little summary of the Prisms work we did in class today. First of all, what the hell is a prism? A prism is basically a shape that if you cut it anywhere, if you did basically, for example, something like a cylinder or a Swiss roll, if you cut that and you cut it straight, you'd end up with the same front-facing shape where however you cut it, as long as that cut is a vertical cut. So again, think of the Swiss roll. If you cut that straight, you're going to have the same circle. It's a lot harder to kind of explain than it is actually as a concept. You just think of it having the same cross section all the way through. That probably suffice. And like I've drawn some. Well, you say you drew something. I apologise for these drawings. Even by my standards, these are bad. But I think you get the idea of what I'm trying to get across. So I've drew some of the more famous ones: cylinder, triangular prism. See its imaginations and the names of mathematicians there. I'm sure that probably does have a name, actually. I just don't know what it is. A cuboid, bloody hell, that is bad. And a cube. So these are all kind of prisms. And the reason is you can slice them out and they'll have the same cross section all the way through. So that's the definition of a prism. What can we do with them? Well, have a look. Take a look, there's my hand. Yeah, this is really not the most professional of my videos. I'm kind of tired and I want to sleep, but let's just get this content covered and then I can sleep. Also, dinner, that'd be nice too. Find out the volume, you do your cross-section times length. So for this one here, we did circle, which is a cross-section, so pi r squared. 3 squared is 9 pi, yeah? Times that by the length, 10, 90 pi. The reason why I'm giving it as 90 pi is it's coming up to the non-calculator exam. So often, if they ask you this in the non-calculator, they expect you to have it in terms of pi. Obviously, you could do 90 times 3.141592654. That's not as impressive as some random kid, I think, learned 88 places of it. It's like, I commend your effort, but bloody hell, seriously? You can Google this thing. Anyways, I digress. So it's pretty simple. Then you've got surface area, and that one's a bit harder. You just need to find every single face's area. So like there's 2 triangles that are the same, then you've got 3 rectangles that make the shape, if you look at it, and just add them together. That's actually considerably, well, not harder, because all of this stuff is just literally sums, but it's considerably more tiresome, and I've seen it come up, so it is what it is, and that's how you do it. Okay, nice short video. I really recommend nobody watches this, to be honest with you, unless you really desperately know what a prism is. I make apologies for practically everything in it, but it does get the essential message about prisms out. Have a good weekend, my dudes. Take care.